So hello friends, today we are going to discuss a coding question on sorting of a single dimensional array, an array which contains only 3 digits, zeros, ones and twos. So how to sort this in a single pass? Instead of using multiple for loops, we will use a single loop, single traversal of the array and simultaneously sort it without using any traditional sorting algorithms like bubble sort, insertion sort, merge sort, quick sort. We won't use any one of them, but still we will achieve the sorting. So let's start and discuss how we do it. Okay, so the question is sorting an array consisting of zeros, ones and twos. So this is the question. So let me take a class sort array, okay, and public static void main string args. Now let me take an array, a random array which has only 3 digits, zeros, ones, zeros, twos, 1, 2, 0, 0, 1, 2, 1, 0, something like this. A random array which has only 3 digits, either 0 or 1 or 2. So the final output which is required is it should be sorted. 0 should come first, 1 should come later and 2 should come later. It should look something like this. Let me show you. Yeah, so how many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 zeros. So 0, 0, 0, 0 and 0. The total number of ones are 4. So 1, 1, 1, 1 and total number of twos are 3. 2, 2 and 2. This should be the final output. This is the output required. So how to achieve this? So for that I will take three pointers, three index pointers. Let me call the first pointer as 0. Okay, this pointer will indicate the indices of the first 0 sub array. Okay, int 0 is equal to say 0, and I'll take a while loop to position this 0 at a place where the 0 subarray ends. So while array of 0 equal to 0, my loop runs and it stops when there is a non-zero. Till then I will increment the 0. Okay, similarly let me take one more. Int 2 is equal to array.length minus 1. While array of 2 equal to 2, my while loop will run and it will stop at a place where the 2 sub array ends in the opposite direction. It starts from array.length minus 1 from the last, and it will keep checking whether 2 is there or not, and exactly when the 2 ends it stops. Okay, so this is the positioning of 0 subarray and 2 subarray. And now let me take another index called 1, and this 1 index will start from 0 plus 1. Okay, and this while loop will run till the time 1 is less than or equal to 2. 1 is less than or equal to 2. And what am I going to check inside? If array of 1 equal to 0, then I will simply swap these two numbers. Int temp is equal to array of 1, array of 1 equal to array of 0, and array of 0 equal to temp. So I am swapping both the numbers. Else if array of 2, array of 1 equal to 2, in that case int temp is equal to array of 1, array of 1 equal to array of 2, and array of 2 is equal to temp. So I am swapping. Else in the other case, when the number is neither 0 nor 2, that means the number is 1, we will simply increment 1. In all other cases 1 will not increment. Okay, that's it. My while loop ends, and with my completion of this while loop the array is sorted. Are you having any doubt? Let's check. Int I is equal to 0, I less than array dot length I plus plus system dot out dot println print of array of I. That's it. Let me save this file's name as array sort array 1.java. That's it. Now if I go and Java C sort array 1.java and Java sort array. Let me cross check once. Yeah, there is a problem here. We have to increment 0 plus plus, and we have to decrement the 2 here. 2 minus minus. This was missing. That is the reason it didn't work. Yeah, now you can see the array is sorted. That means my code is working perfectly fine. So what did I exactly do? Initially I took two indices. One is for finding the end of 0 subarray, and the other index 2 is to find the starting of 2 subarray. So basically I am populating all zeros in the front and all 2's at the last. So if this is the case, if this is the array, just see the first element is 0. That means my 0 index will stop here at this position, because this is my 0 subarray. So 0 index will point to the starting element, I mean an element next to the 0 subarray, and at the end you can see there is no 2, so my 2 index will be here only. And then my loop starts from where? My loop starts from here, and first element is 0, so this 0 will be swapped with this one, this 0 will be swapped with this one. In this way I will keep swapping zeros to the front and 2's to the last, and finally I'll populate the complete zeros at the front and complete all the 2's at the last, and I will be left with only 1's in between. This is how I have sorted the entire array using no traditional sorting algorithm, and the time complexity of this solution is big O of 1, and the auxiliary space used is big O of 1. That's it. So it's a very efficient solution for solving this problem. Thank you so much.